Hey guys, feeling shitty today, and yeah, let's see my hair. I'm just gonna try to cook something nice. Okay, my hair is like shit. Okay, the weather today's I look like shit. Weather today's good. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, you see, weather today is good, but I'm not going out. I'm just staying home. I'm not going out till October ends, and yeah, I'm cooking burger right now. So yeah, I'm cooking burger. I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah, I'm cooking burger, and there it is. So yeah, nothing's up today. Nothing really new. Thing is, I still have a lot of things to do because I haven't done anything significant lately. Yeah, that sucks. Also, how are we going? I'm hoping to make new quality videos. I always say that, but yeah, I have other things in mind. I'll try to do it next week, maybe. I can't do it this week, but yeah, I'll do some simple short videos which may be experimental to me. But other than that, that's it. It's kind of noisy here because I have the range hood so noisy out there with my cooking. I think I've heard it. I'm gonna go back. Oh, why are you manual focus? Yeah, I think I burned part of it. So yeah, it's gonna suck, but either way, it's just gonna be fine. I just hope this suffering will end. So there are no burger buns today. We're just gonna eat sliced bread. That's just it. Sucks today. Okay, so no good vlog today. I'm gonna upload this thing. It's gonna be shit, but yeah, I'm still gonna upload this. You have a good day, guys, and see you in the next few days.